I heard the doorbell. Go see who's there. Front door. Oh, I think it's locked. Is anybody there? Who's there?
What the?
Baby dino!
What?
What the?
Where did he come from?
Baby
Did he come home? He must have been away and he found his way home. After all this time.
What the?
Baby Dino, where have you been?
Me?
Where have you
Did
been?
somebody bring him over?
Oh, he looks good. Like someone gave him a good
Wow.
bath. He must have gone to a spa or something, huh?
Parents get oil on them.
I don't know. Who knows where he's been all this time? Oh, are you happy? Oh.
Baby dino back.
Oh, well, it must have been hard for him to find his way back, but he did it.
Someone was a blind back.
Maybe they did, huh?
Yeah.
Aw.
Don't lose him again.
How did he get there? It was the first time we ever found him. How did he walk? He's bigger than 10 dinos. He must have been a delivery.
Must have been, huh?
Special delivery, huh? You don't think it was him that rang the doorbell?
No. He did. See, he can't move.
He was pretty
Oh, that's
good.
true. He would have had a hard time reaching, huh?
I thought we would never find them. But how did he get there? He can't walk. He has little legs. He can't even walk yet.
Yeah, I don't know how he got there, but it's your happy, lucky day, huh?
You know the only thing more blue than his back? Your tongue.
And your lips.
Baby dino back home.
Oh.
BabyDino.com.